Hello everyone, welcome back to Upstudian. Today I came up with one of the biggest opportunity for the girls, that is of Myntra HackerRamp WeForShe 2025. So which is one of the most exciting hackathon only for the women engineering students. So if you are a women coder and who wants to showcase your skills, get mentioned by the industry leaders and even win the prizes and PPO at Myntra, then this video is for you. Stay tuned to learn because I will explain you everything you need to know about this hackathon, that is what is the eligibility criteria in order to apply for this hackathon, and what are all the team rules that will be your formation of the team, and what is the competition structure, what the rewards that you are going to win, and the important dates that you have to keep in mind that the hackathon overall the thing. And yes, comment below if you have any planning to participate, or let's build a strong opportunity hunt community over here in this channel. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where will you get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So now let's start the video. So first let's talk about the HackerRamp WeForShe at Myntra. So it is the gender inclusion is the biggest part of this journey. So since women are the more than a 50% of Myntra's customers, so they believe that the women should also have the equal chance to build the future in the technology field. Okay, so that's why they have been started this initiative that is called as WeForShe program. So the HackRamp WeForShe 2025, it is an amazing platform where the women coders to innovate something new and trying to solve the problems of the tech, and also finding the solutions from that. So it's one of the biggest Myntra's engineering mind that they want to track the people which are in the women's. So and the best part it is the top teams will even get the chance to showcase their idea at Myntra campus, which is located in the Bangalore. Now let's talk about who can apply for this. What that is nothing but the what is eligibility criteria in order to apply for this hackathon. So it is open for only for the female students from the engineering colleges across India, and you must be in a full-time BE Tech program, like third year or fourth year, okay, or in the full-time dual degree program, that is you must be in the fourth year or fifth year. So you must register in a team of 2 or 3 members. So individual participations are not allowed in this hackathon. Participants can be from the different batches and the different specializations, but not from the different colleges. Okay, so cross college teams are also not allowed in this formation of the team, and one person can be only for the one team, not more than one. He cannot he cannot be the team. He cannot be the part of the team of others. Okay, so if you're doing like that, you may be disqualified from this hackathon. So now let's talk about what is the competition structure. So in this we have several stages. So each stage there are the symbols, there are some of the stage that you have to do the task. So I will tell you what are they. So in the stage 1, that is nothing but the registration. So this is the first step where you will be registering with your team before the deadline, and make sure the details are correct while you are registering for this stage 1. Okay, so what are all the uh, conditions that have been kept by the Myntra, that while formation of the team, like cross college are not allowed, only from the different specialization and different field from your college only allowed in the formation of a team, and the team size should be 2 to 3 members, not more than that. So keep this all the things in mind, and once go through the terms and conditions to as well what the Myntra has been given also. So you will get a clarity that what and how the formation of the team will be happening. Okay, so once you're done with this thing, and the stage 2 is of like webinar. So in this you will give like a online webinar where it is organizers explaining about everything about this challenge, rules and expectations what you are going to get from this Myntra hackathon, and they will guide you like how you can prepare for the next rounds, and each round what are going to happen, and all those things stuff are going to explain in that webinar in the stage 2. And the stage 3, that is that it's an online assessment where in this you are going to start the coding skills, like will be tested, or coding questions will be there for you. Then you are going to give that things, and like the questions will be like data structures and algorithms. So the top performing team will be demonstrating there into the coding uh, leaderboard, and they will be moving ahead into the next stage. So where they are going to get some of the real world problem challenges in the fashion techs. So they will be like they will solving those all problems with the data structures and as well as the algorithms. So in the stage 4, that is nothing but the webinar to strategic briefing. So in this stage, another webinar where the Myntra experts will be explaining the themes of the competition, and they will be guiding you that how you can build from the idea into the real solution, what like a production ready thing. So you are going to get that all guidance from this strategic briefing. In this is a webinar 2, and the stage 5 is nothing but the mentorship from the Myntra experts. So shortlisted teams will be getting the mentors from the Myntra's engineering team. So the experts will be explaining you, and they will be refining your idea, where you can choose the right tech stack and you can prepare the right solutions for the problem what have been picked up. And next we have stage 6 and as well as stage 7. So in this, the solution blueprint, that is the ideation, submission and presentation, will be there in this stage 6 and stage 7. So you will need to pick one of the theme from the given list. So you will have to choose the problem statement from the fashion technology, and you need to work on that what having that you have been taken the problem statement. You have to build the innovative solution, and you need to submit that solution that includes like the theme and the problem statement, how you need to submit that. That you have to include the theme and as well problem statement, and your proposed solution and the key features what are you going to integrate in that solution, and the technology stack that you have been used for the developing of this thing, like a high level architecture and the data flow. So these are all the things that you have to include it and give that in the PPT or presentation format you have to go. Okay, there are the submission guidelines, they are there, so you have to strictly follow this submission guidelines, and they have been given the template also. You have to do that all the things in this template only, not at all you need to not use another template. Okay, so submit a PPT in the template that have been given below, that have been told you, that is the max, the slides should be only 6, not more than that. Okay, add a video demo of your MVP, that or like app showing the functional flows and how the app is going to work that you have been developed, right? So you need to show that in the video format, and you have to share your code repository link, that is a Git or GitLab. Okay, the PPT name should be in the format like your institute name underscore team name dot pptx. So this is the format that you have to save the file and you need to submit that file. After the submission, you will be presenting your PPT and as well as the MVP product in a virtual session with the Myntra judges. So once you're done with this thing, we have the stage 8. This is the grand finale, that is the on-campus showcase. So the top 6 teams will be invited to the Myntra's campus in the Bangalore. So here you will be presenting a fully working prototype to a jury of a senior technology leaders. So this is your big chance where you can shine in the front of the industry leaders, and they will be judging your product and they will be reviewing your product, how much efficient that you have been given the solution for the problem statement that you have been picked up from the like fashion technology. Okay, so there are some of the general rules and guidelines that you have to keep in mind while this whole hackathon is going to happen. Okay, the participants must be above 18 years of age, the first condition they are keeping of, and second condition is of like teams must have 2 to 3 members, not more than that. So while you are forming the team, there are the some of the things that have been keep in mind. I have been told before also, but I will repeat once again. No cross college teams are allowed in this thing, and no team changes after the registrations are also not allowed, and you must have to agree to the Myntra's IP terms. Okay, so these are all the things that you have to keep in mind. So any unfair practices will be resulting to the disqualification of this from the hackathon. Okay, so that's all you need to think about this, and let's talk the rewards and the benefits that you are going to get from this hackathon. So the winners will be getting of a 3 lakh total, that is of 2 lakh cash plus 1 lakh of Myntra's voucher, and the first runner up will be getting of 1 lakh total, that is 50,000 cash and plus 50,000 Myntra voucher. The finalist teams, that they will be getting a Myntra's voucher which is worth of like 15,000 per team. Okay, and the top 6 teams will be getting a pre-placement interview opportunity for the internship at Myntra. So if they are in their final year only, so this is the condition that they are giving of. All the teams who submitted the PPTs and present in the stage 7, they will be getting a digital participation certificate. Okay, so which will be boosting your resume also, so you can showcase them that have been participated in this hackathon. So basically the resume weightage will be getting gained. So, and the important date that you have to keep in mind, that is registration deadline is of like 27th August 12 p.m. and the webinar 1 is going to start at 29th August and the time is of like 5 p.m. and the online assessment results will be announced at the 9th September 11 a.m. and the webinar 2 is going to start at 10th September 2025. So make sure you register before the deadline and you save this all the dates to the calendar so that you will get a reminder. You will not miss all those dates. So once you miss this all the dates, so the opportunity will not get back. So make sure you save this link and the link in the description box, so you can click over there and you can register for this hackathon. So that's all everything you need to know about this Myntra's HackerRamp WeForShe 2025. So tell me in the comments that are you going to participate or not? Okay, just comment down in the below. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Opportunity Hunt for more updates, and I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity. Good luck coders.